Hello friends, welcome again. In this video, we are going to talk about the learning management system, that is LMS, being used at the institute, and we are using Moodle for our LMS uses. So Moodle is a platform that we use for sharing the course contents like lecture slides, some videos, some external links. We also give assignments here, so you will have to submit that on time. We can do it on Google Classroom also, we can do it on Moodle also. In both the places it can be done, and we are going to conduct your quizzes on Moodle. So let us go to the platform. So the web link is moodle.lnmit.ac.in. It is not a Google associated service, so the username will be your roll number, but password will be different from your Gmail, the LNMIT mail, Google Meet, Google Classroom that you were using. All those were associated with one single Google account. This is different, although the username will be same as your roll number. You will receive an email from the admin that this is your username and password for Moodle. So when you go to login, if by any chance if you have forgotten the password, you can click on forgotten your username and password, and here you enter only the password, only the username, that is your roll number, and click on search, or you write the complete email ID, your roll number @lnmit, and search. Whichever way you follow only one of them, and you will get the reset link on your LNMIT email ID, and you can reset your password. Once you do that, let me log in to a student account. So when you log in here, you are going to get a dashboard. In this dashboard, you get to see all the courses that you have enrolled for, and you can go to these respective courses and see what is happening there, what is being shared, is there any assignment pending, or do I have a quiz scheduled today. All these things you can do there. So let me go to this test course. When I go to this test course, these are the different sections and all. So under this section I can see, okay, there is a quiz here. So once I click on the quiz, and it says the quiz is available from 26th October to 31st October, and it is for 15 minutes. And because I am available at this time, it is available, I can click on the attempt quiz, and it will ask you to start the attempt. So you can see that these are some simple questions. Once I attempt these questions, okay, so questions can be of different type. It is not they are going to be only objective, they can be subjective also. You can be asked to upload handwritten solutions also. So this is just to show, I'm just clicking random things. So you can be asked to enter the numbers, you can be asked to enter the paragraph, true false, handwritten solutions, anything can be there. Once you do this, you just say I have finished my attempt. It will show you the summary, how many you have done, how many you have not done. Submit it and finish, and immediately you will get your marks also, that these many marks you have scored, and this is what you have done for the quiz. Okay, some of the questions, if they are subjective in nature, which need to be checked manually, you will not get the marks for those. That can be done when the instructor will check it manually. So we go back to the course, and we see, okay, there is one assignment as well. So when you check this assignment, so it says the time remaining for submission is on 3rd November, it is due. So you click on add submission. There will be a question paper for this which will be shared with you. Solve it by the way instructor have asked. Sometime they ask you that you have to type the solution in the box here, or you have to simply upload your handwritten solution scanned as a PDF. So just browse the file here. So let me just go upload a file, choose the file here. So I am selecting this image and upload it. Okay, and don't forget to click on this save changes. If you don't click it, it will not be submitted. It is only uploading, it is not submission. Okay, don't forget to do this. Click on save changes. Once you do that, then the submission process is complete. Okay, and whenever you will go back to your course home page, it will show your records, and as soon as you submit the assignment, in your mail you will get the confirmation also that you have submitted. Okay, and you can see, okay, this is the assignment I have. Before the submission deadline, if you want to change it, you can click on edit. If you want to remove it, you can remove. So basically Moodle we are going to use for distributing lecture slides, conducting quizzes, taking assignments, and sharing some links and other related information. Once you are done with these things, you can also check your grades, your marks. Okay, that how many marks did I get in this quiz? I got 10% marks. In practice quiz I got 20% marks. In assignment, if I will evaluate as an instructor, you will get to see how many marks you are getting. So all the marks you will get to see in the grades for a particular course. Okay, so you will keep learning more when you start using Moodle more and more, and we'll be using it for all the courses. In the next video we'll tell you about one more thing that you need to know at the LNMIIT. Thank you.